This 2006 Ford Taurus 4 doors SDN sedan features a 3.0 L5.6 6-cylinder gasoline engine. It is equipped with a 4-speed automatic transmission. The vehicle is silver with other interior. It is offered as dashes. Extended warranty is available. Air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, tilt steering wheel, driver airbag, passenger airbag, AM/FM, cassette, 3.0-liter, automatic. Contact OB Davis Automatic Transmission 702-568-3583 or odavis@findlayauto.com for more information. Warranties are based on the number of years and mileage of the vehicle, since many Touring and are no longer applicable after the time frame and or mileage limits have been passed.